G'day, and welcome. So this here is a genuine air filter off my kimono door. I can't believe I just did that. Anyway, this is a genuine air filter off my Commodore, my car. And normally these go for about $450 online. This one I picked up for under a quarter of that. I think I paid about $80 or something for it local. And that's because, as you can see, it has been slightly butchered. The trouble is with these original air filters is they just do not flow any air. They just absolutely suffocate these things. Obviously, look, back in the 1980s, they didn't quite put out as much power, or, probably for the EPA, all this bullshit. They've basically just suffocated these poor cars, They got heating boxes in them and all kinds of crap. So, most people, the first thing they do is they pull the air filter off and just fucking throw it in the bin. And I would say there was probably 10 million of these cars produced, and I reckon about 9,999,000 of these air filters ended up in the bin. So, but anyway, the ones that didn't, like this one, was either stuck on a shelf or somebody's butchered them. Now, they've cut some holes in it to obviously make it flow a little bit better, so somebody lifts up the bonnet, it actually looks original, but the trouble is, as I said, they don't flow. You go and stick a holly or something on these things, they just and they're fucking suffocating. So, oh fuck, that hurt. That was not good on my throat. Alright, so what I decided to do is I decided to sort of leave it so it was going to breathe, but at the same time I was going to fix it up a little bit so it looked a tiny bit better, so it didn't look completely butchered. So sit back, relax, grab yourself a beer and a packet of chips and check out what I did to this POS. So this is our finished air filter. Oh, bloody heavy now. Let's take it over here. Just gave the, because it was pretty rusty, just gave the top a bit of a paint and put some tape over the top of the stickers because they're about $100 to replace at the moment. Gave the underneath a quick spray. Our new filter, and if we go in underneath here, this is what our job looks like. This one here, that was a Harley Davidson. So yeah, she's a bit rough, but you know, what the fuck. So that's how it turns out. That was better than just having fucking big gaping holes in it. So there you go. Oh fuck. Oh, onto the Holly double pumper, which I'm actually going to be changing out this air filter, I think. Well, there you go. Stay. Alright. Look at this. Okay. Alrighty. So that's the air filter done anyway. Like I said, I don't think I'll keep it on there. I'll put it back on the wall. I'll use something else that's got a bit better flow. Alright, well, until next time, be good, stay safe, and we'll see you around like a Rissole, trendsetters. By the way, don't build a car, it fucking sucks. Ciao, ciao.
Techno.